Hello everyone, I am decluttering more items from around my house. This is a super quick declutter. My house, my kitchen area, my breakfast table area is just overflowing. We were on vacation last week and everything just kind of started piling up as we were unpacking, getting home, trying to get back into our normal routine this last week of summer before the kids start back school. And also my little boy had a birthday party, so tons of new toys came in. So between all of those things, the countertops just started becoming way too much for me. So I had to get back on my decluttering. This is super quick, super satisfying. It's ruthless. I'm just anything and everything that I know is trash or not used or it's in the way, it's been in the way, I haven't seen my kids touch it, it's going in the trash. So that's where I'm at. I've got to get my head in a better space, and what better way than to get all the clutter out of the house. So I'm working on that. Still have a lot to go. But today I am decluttering 100 more items. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, my name is Mary Lou. I am a mother of 3 small kids, and I make lifestyle content. I've been decluttering 1,000 items from my house. Today I go from 800 to 900, so I'm almost at the end of 1,000 items. But please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video if you enjoy this kind of content. I'm so glad you're here. If you are back from a previous video, thank you so much for returning. I'm glad everyone is here.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you
I have such a hard time keeping my countertops decluttered. That is something I'm going to start working more on, keeping them decluttered on a daily basis, and hopefully by the end of the day, every day, I can have all my countertops decluttered. I have loosely followed in the past a cleaning routine by Clean Mama, and that's one of her daily tasks that she recommends doing, is having all your countertops free of clutter by the end of the day. And it is definitely something I struggle with, and I've noticed that it takes a toll on my mental clarity because like I said before, my kitchen countertop and this table, they have just been overflowed with clutter, and I can just really tell it makes me so anxious and just, tries to take my peace away from me. So got to get it back, decluttering, making all the surfaces as clean as I can, and decluttering what needs to go, and then reorganizing and putting away everything that is not in its home.
this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking I said that I needed you 'cause I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space.
When I was packing for vacation, I came across some clothes that needed to be decluttered, so that's what I'm grabbing here. It's a second trash bag full of clothes that my kids had outgrown, or they were old and ratty and they just needed to go in the trash. So I'm going to grab a new trash bag and I'm going to start loading that full of items to declutter.
So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna start.
In the middle of this decluttering, I do have to stop and do a quick load of laundry. The clothes have been in there wet since this morning, so I needed to go ahead and get those drying so there wouldn't be any moldy problems or issues with that. So that's what I'm doing here.
In the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be.
And next, since I'm right here next to this bathroom, I'm going to take the time to declutter the bath toys. I've been meaning to do this for a while now, and there's just some toys that aren't bath toys, and they don't need to be bath toys, so they're going in the trash. This washcloth has a huge hole. It has seen its better days, so it's going in the trash. And a few more of these bath toys, they just need to go. They keep water, they retain water. So I can imagine it's got some nasty stuff probably growing inside of them, and they need to go in the trash. Then I am just gonna carry on, and I'm gonna start picking up stuff on the floor. Stuff I am tired of looking at. I'm tired of seeing stuff on the floor. I don't know, maybe it's my problem, but I'm just in the thick of it with my kids and their ages right now, and it's just so hard to keep their toys picked up, and it's something that I definitely need to work more on teaching them how to pick up. My little boy, my oldest boy, he's really good about, I'll just find him upstairs cleaning his room. He's really good about that, so he gets a hang of it. But the other two, I probably need to take a little more time working with them on that, just so we can have their toys off of the floor and they don't risk getting tossed in the trash bag, because I also know that's not necessarily fair. But right now, that's just kind of in my frame of mind, and if it's a small piece of a toy, it's just gonna go in the trash.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it. Just like
Thank you so much for joining me. Now that I'm up to 900 items decluttered, I have 100 more items to declutter, so stay tuned, on the lookout for that. And I guess as best you could call this a post-vacation declutter, because my house is still definitely not back in complete order and I need to get it that way before the kids start school. But thanks again for joining me. Like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. I will see you guys real soon.
Too deep.